guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be on this super dark fall makeup look right here. I am obsessed with this look. I feel like I have not done a look this intense in a minute, and I also have not done a look that's like all kind of matte, especially on the eyes, in a while. Like I can't even remember. I always have to have like a little bit of shimmer here, or always something shimmery has to be going on, but today I decided to switch it up. So I hope you guys like it, but if you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So I did already moisturize my face, but I am going to go in and prime it. For primer today, I'm going to be using a new one. I actually don't know if it's new like in the market, but I personally have never tried it. And it's going to be the Origins Original Skin Primer. So it says that this is a pore perfecting cooling primer. Yeah, let's see what that means. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of that on the back of my hand. Okay, I want to show you guys how this comes out. So like a mousse, but it feels so cool, like cold as F. And I'm just gonna, oh, I think I put too much. So I'm just applying that on the T-zone because that's literally where my pores are definitely noticeable. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that in. And I'm just gonna actually drag it out because I put too much, so whatever. So it did leave my face feeling pretty matte, which I love. And it did kind of reduce my pores a little bit. Not bad. So for foundation today, I'm going to be taking my Wanderbeauty Flash Focus Hydrating Foundation Stick. And this one's in the shade medium. So I'm just going to be taking it right off the stick and just applying that on the face. I just uploaded a challenge where I did my entire makeup using this sponge. If you guys have not seen it, go check it out. It's a very funny video. That's all I'm going to say on that. Which foundation are you guys feeling lately? Let me know in the comments. So now it's time to go ahead and contour, girl. I could never skip this step. I'm just gonna be taking a little bit of my Hudabeauty concealer in Chocolate Chip. And I'm literally taking the smallest amount on the back of my hand because this is really, really dark for my skin tone. So I don't even need that much, like a little bit will do the trick. Just taking that on a brush, and I'm actually gonna be like fast forwarding this part because you guys have seen me contour plenty of times, and this is very, very dark. So now that the face is finally contoured and snatched, it's time to move on to concealer. For concealer, which one am I gonna use today? I've been honestly obsessed with the Jouer Essential High Coverage Concealer. I have been using it ever since I tried it. Like I'm just obsessed because of the shade, the consistency, the way it sets. It doesn't crease, like it's just everything on everything. So I'm just gonna go ahead and, you guys know the drill, just apply that everywhere where I want my face to be highlighted or where I need a little bit more coverage. I'm gonna be taking that Juno sponge again, just going in and blending this all out because we look a hot mess right now, but it's okay. I probably should have done my face after my eyes because the look that I'm going for today is going to be like very smoky, a lot of colors. So I know I'm probably going to get a little bit of fallout, but I should have thought about that earlier, huh? And now I'm just setting my face with my TooFaced Peach Perfect powder. And I know you guys are low-key probably tired of me using this powder, but I just love it. If you guys have any recommendations of any powders that you guys are like obsessed with, then leave them in the comments because I love to try new ones, but nothing works better for me at least than the TooFaced Peach Perfect. And I'm gonna do something weird. I'm gonna go bronze before I move on to the eyes, just so I can, you know, bake while I'm doing my eyeshadow. So I'm gonna be going in with my Hoola from Benefit, and I'm literally just gonna apply that exactly where I placed that cream contour. So now let's move on to eyeshadow. The first palette I'm going to be using is of course my palette, like hello. If you guys don't know, I just came out with, well not just, like it's been like a month now. I came out with Paradise Desert in collaboration, whatever, you guys get the point, with Catrice Cosmetics. You can get it at all Ulta Beauty stores or on catricecosmetics.com. And you guys need this palette. If you don't have it yet, I don't know where you've been, girl, but you need to go get it. This is my beautiful, beautiful palette. I'm just gonna be going into the shade Dawn. I'm also gonna be taking that and applying it on the lower lash line just to smoke that out. You guys have asked me, like, in every video, I believe somebody always asks, where did you get this little brush from? So this little brush is old as fuck. Like this brush, I don't even know, like honestly, how old it is. This was, first of all, this was my mom's brush and I stole it from her. I think it was like a Estee Lauder like lip brush or something. It has nothing on it, so I don't even know like where to start with this, but I really think it was Estee Lauder, the brand, and I don't know, I feel like it was a lip brush. I just love it to blend like any little areas or like lines, like for a cut crease, anything like that. I feel like this is the perfect brush because it just goes and just blends in there, and it sucks because I can't find any brush like this. Next, I'm gonna be taking the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette, and I'm gonna be going into the shade right here. I'm just gonna use this and apply it in the same exact spot that we applied that other shade, but obviously I'm not gonna take it up as high. Take that color on the lower lash line. I'm just gonna be going into this shade right here. We're gonna be applying this on the lid and then blend it up. So this is like a very simple ass smoky eye, but kind of like a burnt orange smoky eye, I would say. I look crazy right now. So now we're just gonna go ahead and blend that upwards. So I'm just gonna take my little brush and of course run that on the lower lash line. So I want the lid to be a little bit darker, so I'm just gonna be going back into my gorgeous palette. This time I'm gonna be going into the shade Sahara. I'm gonna pack that on the lid, like just keep packing it on the lid. And I'm gonna be taking that Sahara shade on the lower lash line as well, just to really darken that up. I'm just going back into my palette and I'm gonna be going into the shade Sun Kissed. Just gonna be applying that on the brow bone. Ooh, this looks bomb with this look. You gotta go in and clean this up right here because it's looking a little crazy. So I'm gonna take this little angled brush and a little bit of that Jouer concealer, and we about to clean this up like it never even happened. Clean it up. So look at that versus whatever's going on here. It's like major difference. So now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and do a wing liner, and I'm just taking my Fenty Beauty Flyliner. I'm just gonna go ahead and start very thin on the inner corner, and as I get towards the outer V, I'm going to thicken that out. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and draw the inner wing that you guys always ask me about. It's so easy. I just take my eyeliner and start with the lower lash line and then just connect it to the top lash line. It's so hard to do it while talking. Okay, so it's finally time for mascara. I'm just gonna be going in with Too Faced Better Than Sex, and I'm going to apply that to both the top and lower lash lines. So next it's time for falsies. I'm just going to be applying my Miami Mink So Extra. I do have a coupon code for these lashes. I'm gonna be listing it in the description box or somewhere up here. I'll put it probably. These lashes are so bomb. Like, you guys are about to see a difference right now. They just give you so much drama, like. And we are finally done with the eyes. Now I'm just gonna go and take my powder brush and just wipe off this powder because it's been sitting on there for ages. So next I'm just gonna go in with some blush. I'm just gonna be using Jouer's Rose Gold Blush Duo, and I'm gonna be going into this shade right here. And we need some color because with this type of eye look, you can look a little dead if you don't have like a little bit of blush on. So I'm gonna apply some on the temples as well, just to warm up the face. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and highlight the face. I'm gonna be taking Ofra All of the Lights, and I am obsessed with this highlighter. It's so pretty. And I literally take it and I'm mixing all of the shades because there's like 4 different shades in here, but I mix all of them and just pack that on. We are glowing. So I'm just gonna be lining my lips with NYX matte lip liner, and this one is in the shade Cold Brew. Alright, so for lipstick, I'm gonna be taking Ofra's Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Las Olas. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. I have not done a look this intense in a minute, so I feel like it's a little bit different for what I've been doing lately, but I really hope you guys like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also comment down below and let me know any looks that you guys want to see next on this channel, and I'll see you guys on my next video.